Stocks will start the first full week of December trading on Monday morning after a losing week on Wall Street. It was volatile. The Dow and the S&P 500 index each lost about 1% for the week. The Nasdaq was down 2.5%. Investors are still trying to figure out what the rising COVID Omicron cases will do to the economy, plus more.
Investors need to reset their return expectations. We've been in an abnormally good stock market. Over the last 80 years, the S&P's averaged around 6.5%. 10 years averaged 14%. So the Fed is going to cause more volatility. Inflation concerns are going to cause more volatility. I think investors need to reset expectations and raise the quality of their portfolio.
Sarian Strategic Partners at Hightowers, Greg Sarian on CNBC. And while job growth didn't come in great for November, according to the Labor Department, the unemployment rate did go down, dropping to the lowest since February of 2020, the month before the pandemic started. The unemployment rate sits now at 4.2%.
The Fed is looking at the labor force participation rate and the unemployment rate, and both of those came in positively. So I actually think that this gives the Fed room to say we're still going to taper faster, and rate hikes are certainly not out of the question summer and fall of next year.
SoFi's Liz Young on CNBC. There are employers who are putting off back to the office return dates again because of the new variant. Google is one of the biggest names pushing its January return farther into 2022. The medical community still waiting to find out if the current vaccines offer enough protection against this new Omicron variant.
If you look at what's happening in South Africa right now, the cases are among a younger population that we presume is largely unvaccinated. So it seems to be reinfecting people who previously had Delta. We don't know yet how well it's performing against the vaccines.
Former FDA Commissioner Dr. Scott Gottlieb on CNBC. Holiday sales set to blow past a U.S. record for consumer spending, beating the forecast for the National Retail Federation. It is a banner year for consumer buying. On Monday's watch list, we don't get any big economic reports or earnings reports, but the World Petroleum Congress meeting begins as the global energy industry will meet in Houston, Texas. FedEx says Monday is a spike day for shipping, and new U.S. travel requirements will go into effect to try to curb COVID. Jessica Ettinger, CNBC.
December 8th, join CNBC's Financial Advisor Summit for strategic insight from industry heavyweights and market influencers, sharing innovative ideas for clients and firms in the new year. Register now at cnbcevents.com/FA-summit.